React.js. It's so hot right now. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Created and maintained by Facebook, React has gained tremendous popularity since its release in 2013 and has become the go-to tool for building web applications. It's awesome for a number of reasons, but chiefly because it allows developers to create reusable components such as buttons or forms that can be placed anywhere within a product. But while more and more companies are using React to build web apps, mobile app development is a different story. Android applications need to be written by Java developers, and iOS applications must be written by Objective-C or Swift developers. At least that was the case until the geniuses at Facebook released React Native. React Native allows developers to write one app for both platforms using React. As developers write this code, React Native works behind the scenes to magically compile the React code into native iOS and Android apps. And these are truly native apps, so animations will still be silky smooth, and developers can still use mobile device features, such as GPS, accelerometers, and push notifications. And rather than having separate iOS and Android teams, a company could just have one single mobile team using React Native. It's a much more streamlined approach to mobile development, and tons of big players have already embraced the efficiency of React Native. But the truth is, most companies still have separate iOS and Android teams. Airbnb went all in on React Native in 2016, only to abandon it 2 years later. Even Facebook, the creator of React Native, only runs about 20% of its app with React Native. You may say to yourself, React Native sounds so much easier. Why isn't everybody using it? The simple answer is that React Native is still in its infancy. It works really well until developers need to use a feature that isn't supported yet, such as background location tracking. It's also a lot easier to start a new React Native project than it is to migrate a huge app from Java or Objective-C to React Native. This makes React Native ideal for startups, but it may be a while before we see big companies fully switching over to React Native.